Are you craving a delicious and hearty Indian breakfast? Today we are making Aloo Paneer Paratha, a perfect blend of spiced mashed potatoes and creamy paneer stuffed in crispy golden flatbread. Let's dive into this easy step-by-step recipe that'll leave your taste buds dancing. For that, in a mixing bowl, take some potatoes and mash them nicely with the help of a fork or a potato masher. Add crumbled paneer to it along with some of your favorite seasonings. I am adding salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and garam masala or chaat masala. Mix it well until everything's combined into a flavorful filling like this. I have already prepared the dough by mixing 2 cups of whole wheat flour with a pinch of salt. Gradually add water and knead into a soft smooth dough like that, and cover and rest for 15 minutes while we have prepared our stuffing. Now is the time to assemble the parathas. Take one dough ball, flatten it slightly and roll into a small circle about 4 inches. Apply ghee or oil on top just like this and fold it into a triangle shape. Now again start rolling the paratha. Pull the dough edges upward, gathering them around the stuffing like a pouch. Pinch the edges together at the top to seal tightly, ensuring that there are no gaps. Gently twist and press down the sealed top to flatten slightly. Now begin rolling the paratha by making sure the filling is intact. This is called the pouch method, which is generally used for making stuffed parathas. Heat a tawa or skillet on medium flame. Place the paratha on it and cook until golden spots appear. Flip, spread some ghee or butter and cook the other side until crispy and golden. The process of cooking on the tawa is the same for any kind of stuffed paratha. You can see the edges are puffing up, which is a indication of a nicely done paratha. Now let's move on to the second kind of stuffing method. This is called a 2-layer stuffing method. Wherein we divide the dough ball into 2 smaller portions just like this as shown in the video. Roll each portion into a small circle about 4 inches. For any kind of paratha dough, we need to ensure the dough is soft and pliable to prevent tearing and seal tightly to avoid any leakage during the rolling process. Spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling evenly over one circle, leaving a small border. Adjusting the stuffing lightly just as shown. Place the second circle on top and press the edges to seal, creating a sandwich-like structure. Here you have to be very gentle while pressing around the edges with your fingers. You can use a fork to secure the filling before rolling further. I have used just my fingers to press around the edges. flip it twice or thrice to ensure the dough is cooked through. As I mentioned earlier, the process is the same. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This is done. Now let's see the third method. This is called pleating method. Roll the dough as usual. After placing the stuffing, lift one edge of the dough and fold it over the stuffing, pressing it slightly. Continue pleating the edges in a circular motion, overlapping each fold until the stuffing is fully enclosed. This process ensures there is extra security for the filling not to come out of the dough. Cook it on the tawa, again 2 to 3 minutes each side, ensuring that the dough is cooked through. Once the process is done, I will let you know my favorite kind of the paratha stuffing method that we have used. There you go. This is the first one, the pouch method, and the second one, the sandwich method, and the third one, that is the pleating method. I personally found the pouch method is a bit heavy in the middle, and it was a bit unpleasant to eat, like feeling heavier on your tongue. Whereas the sandwich method was easy to eat and it was light on the tongue. The third, which is the pleating method, as you can see, has got a pocket kind of thing inside where you can put your favorite veggies or sauces and enjoy it as a go-to bread. My favorite is the third one. Please let me know yours. Thanks for watching.